Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. In this recipe video, we're gonna talk TikTok trendy salmon rice bowls. Now, I love making rice bowls. I usually call them Buddha bowls, where I make a certain protein or 2 or 3 of them and then set out some toppings and let my family go ahead and fill their Buddha bowls however they like. However, in this TikTok trend that's going around, there's a salmon rice bowl made with one of my favorite things, seaweed chips. My kids love these things, so I knew I wanted to make it, but give it my own little twist. I'm going to show you how. Before we jump into it, be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and subscribe and click that bell. That way you guys get a notification anytime a new recipe drops for you guys to go try at home on your own Blackstone. Now, let's make some salmon rice bowls. Salmon is one of my favorite things to cook, either on the Blackstone Griddle or on the new E-Series, which we are using in this video. I've showed you guys many different ways that I love my salmon. For these rice bowls, you could go ahead and season your salmon however you like. Even make some ahead of time for a quick leftover salmon rice bowl for lunch at work or for a quick dinner during the weekdays. Before we prep our salmon, I'm gonna let my E-Series preheat to 350 degrees. To prep our salmon, I'm using some QP mayo. Let's spread some of that mayo across the presentation side of our piece of salmon and then sprinkle all of our sesame seeds to completely coat that top side. We're gonna drop down some ghee, which is clarified butter, onto our E-Series, spread that around and drop our salmon presentation side first, our sesame seed crusted side first, down into that ghee and let it begin to cook. These sesame seeds are going to toast up to perfection. Once our presentation side and those sesame seeds are toasted up to perfection, our salmon is cooking through beautifully. We're going to flip this over and let it begin to cook on the opposite side. You can use your tongs to let your salmon cook on the edges as well. Just place it on its side, just as you would a steak on the Blackstone Griddle. One thing I love about this E-Series, besides the fact that I can take it anywhere I go and that I can cook in my kitchen if the weather is not so good, is the lid on this thing. You can close this to let your food steam, and that smoke glass top lets you see right through. Keep an eye on your food. Now that our salmon is done, let's pull it off and get to our rice bowls. Now, rice, I would normally prefer to use my rice cooker and have some fresh cooked rice on hand, but these Uncle Ben's prepackaged ready rice is so easy. It's just a must to always keep in my pantry. Stick it in the microwave for a quick cook, and there we have our bowl of rice. We'll top off that rice with our salmon. And for our sauces, we have a low sodium soy sauce, sriracha, and more of that QP mayo. We'll give a quick drizzle of all 3 of those over this, and this is where the TikTok trend and the girl that started it mashed up her salmon, mixed it all throughout the rice, and then topped it, which is fabulous. However, for presentation and the way that I like my Buddha bowls, I'm gonna keep this piece of salmon whole. Add to that some freshly sliced avocado, and to my bowl I'm gonna add some kimchi. Kimchi has so many health benefits. It's a must for me in my rice bowl. And one of my children's and my own favorite things, these seaweed chips. We love packing these for the kids for lunch. They are thin and crispy and come in so many different flavors, so pick your favorite. We'll add a few of those to our bowl. Finish this off with some toasted sesame seeds all over, some sliced green onions, a big handful of those because I love them. And last but not least, let's zhuzh this up with our fukake. This seasoning gives it that pop of black color and brings it all together. I cannot wait to dive into this. If you're talented enough to use some chopsticks, you can enjoy breaking up your salmon and scooping a little bit of everything up into one of the chips and eating it like that. This is so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try it. It is a must try. The presentation in itself is gorgeous, and I recently did this one as a live cook on the Blackstone Products Facebook channel, which you can go back and watch. Since then, I've seen a few of you out there already trying to recreate my rice bowl dish, which I absolutely love. I can't wait to see more of you guys trying this and enjoying it. So go make it, post a picture, and don't forget to tag Blackstone Products and tag Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to see. And don't forget to leave us comments down below and go to the YouTube channel and subscribe and click that bell. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.